Namaskar, myself Sharmila from Sharmila TechSart at my YouTube channel, and you are already acquainted with Sharmila TechSart now, and you all know that we produce our own products. These are that are displayed, whatever is there is manufactured in our own workshop, and we showcase those only. Now today's episode is on Zari border tussar. At the end, I will be showing you only 5 hand painted Katan silk today. So let me go to my first sari. My first sari on Zari border tussar is this. This is the palla of the sari. Very rich look, greyish black in color, greyish black. This is the palla. And the body of the sari is like this. This is the border of the sari, greyish black in color, very rich color, corporate look. First sari, you'd look like this when you drape it. Your look would be like this. So first sari, 4950 is the price of the sari. Actually, we send COD in Calcutta and very close to Calcutta places, but these days it's little difficult, but even then we try. But courier service is available throughout India, and you can pay us at Phone Pay, Google Pay. This is the blouse piece of my next sari, and number 2 sari is purple in color, and this is the palla of the sari. This is how the palla goes, and this is the body of the sari. This is the body. Some black leaf design is also there on the body of the sari. আমার বাঙালি বন্ধুরা সকলেই ইংলিশটা বোঝেন, কিন্তু বাইরের বন্ধুদের জন্য আমি একটু ইংলিশ বলি, কারণ তাদেরও একটু সুবিধা হয়, তারা মাঝে মাঝেই দুঃখ করেন। তো দিস ইজ হাউ ইউড লুক। সেকেন্ড শাড়ি, 4950 is the price, all over print. These sarees take a lot of time to print like this, because 3-4 colors are there. These are all hand block printed in our own workshop. This is the blouse piece. We wholesale throughout India, so wholesalers can contact us. We retail from this outlet. This is 105 Nilachal Complex on NSC Bose Road beside Frank Ross, opposite to Reliance Trends. This is the palla of the sari, and the body of the sari is like this, multicolored, and maroon will be the blouse piece of it. 4950 is the price. This is number 3 sari. Number 4 is hibiscus flower. It is very much uncommon in block print. You haven't perhaps seen anywhere. This is on the request of a lady who is very much fond of Kali Mata, and she wanted to wear a sari with hibiscus, and that's how we have made it. This is the palla of the sari. Rani and green combination with little black, lemon yellow. These are the flowers. These are the flowers, hibiscus flowers scattered throughout the sari. Very good quality tussar. Those who have received already know. You just take a screenshot and send us at our WhatsApp number that are on the scroll. You can get them on the scroll. Phone Pay, Google Pay is available at the number 9830856724. Next Zari border tussar is purple in color. The blouse piece is solid purple like this, and the palla. This is the palla, and the blouse piece is also solid purple. kalamkari print all over the sari. This is the palla. Very nice purple color. Purple color is very much in vogue these days. See, this neck piece is also going well with this. This is the palla. Rich purple color, and this is the body. You would look slim in this also. Throughout the sari, the print goes like this. So this is 4950. All the saris are with blouse pieces. So, and the blouse piece of this sari is, I show you, it got opened actually. I show you the blouse piece. Blouse piece is solid purple. This is the blouse piece. So now I go to my next sari. It is greyish firoza in color and discharge printed. This is a unique color of our workshop that we make. The palla is like this. This is the palla of the sari, and this is a discharge printed flower motifs at the body of the sari. We haven't made it very clumsy so that the beautiful body color comes out. This is a sari, the whole sari goes like this. This is the plate portion. You would look like this when you drape it, and the blouse piece is same color. 4950. All are jari border tussar, very good quality, more than 450 gram weight almost. Next is a masterpiece of us. This print is very famous. This is Hasta Mudra. This is the palla of the sari, and the body is like this. Beautiful sari, very popular. We have made many pieces of it. Red, gold, orange, other colors throughout. Next is another chirchira print, we call it. That is a kind of effect that's been made at the base of the sari. This is firoza, and those effects, if I come close, I think I'll be able to show you. Beside the kalkas or the page leaves, you will find that texture. That is an effect made. This is the palla, and this is how it looks. The body of the sari. Whole sari is like this. Very nice sari, very nice. And paisley is something very traditional. Even then, divas like them even today. So this is how it would look. Now I go to this overlapping print, chirchira print, which is the speciality of us on this tussar also. Very much time taking, that's why other workshops are not able to do it. This is the palla of the sari, rich red in color. You please take a screenshot, subscribe our channel. This is the palla. Now the body is this. See, brown, 3-4 colors are there. This has been printed in 3 steps. Very much time consuming sari, very aristocrat look. The whole sari goes like this. Any other variation will mar the beauty of the sari. That's why we haven't made anything much. It has got this maroon blouse piece with it. This is a blouse piece. Please subscribe, share and like our channel so that we reach more and more people. This is the blouse piece of my next jari border tussar. This is maroon with blue border, and the body is this. This figure motifs, very popular yet unique. This is purplish blue and the border is red. Half of the sari is 18-inch border with this blue dye, purplish blue dye in the half of the sari. So it would look like this when you wear. with this blouse piece in solid color, purple maroon. Okay, so 4950 again is the price. You have appreciated our sarees, and that makes us keep going even in these hard days, maintaining our all expenditures, paying our weavers, our artisans. This is the body of the saree with this small trees, coconut trees, the block, and this is a plain palla with it. This is the palla, you just see. This is the palla of the saree, and the whole saree goes like this with this border at one side, because otherwise it would look very, broad, and it would mar our height. This is a plain blouse piece with it, very light, sweet lemon yellow color. This is again a powder blue color, discharge print, color discharge. As you know, discharge is very difficult to print. The colors are very costly. This is the saree. This is the saree, its border and palla. See, it would look like this when you wear it. Color discharge with Rani on this blue has made this saree very pretty, very attractive. This is how you would look on this saree. Go to my next saree. This is rust and chocolate color in panels, 2.5 meter in panel. First the blouse piece has come. Let me show you the blouse piece. This is the border that will come at your hand. আমার বাঙালি বন্ধুদের কোনো অসুবিধা হচ্ছে না, আমি জানি সকলেই ইংলিশ বোঝেন, কিন্তু বাংলা যেহেতু একটা রিজিওনাল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ, বাংলার সকলের পক্ষে বোঝা সম্ভব নয়. So this is the 2.5 meter of the saree. This is the palla of the saree. Take a screenshot and send to us. The saree will be reaching you by courier. We have courier service available all over India. As it is a difficult day, we can't, send persons to your house for your safety again. So please don't request for COD now. This is 4950. Next saree. You can see how bright the colors are. We use very costly colors, that gives this shine. And if the saree's quality is not good, then you won't get this shine also. This is a blouse piece, olive green in color. This is the palla of the saree. This is the palla. Now, Firoza is the border on jari, black, very nice block. This is the first half of the saree. The second half is these portions. This panel dies are there. You get this at your plate portion. So this is your plate portion, and the saree would look like this when you drape it. I go to last jari border tussar today, 15th saree. It is also, we can say, a masterpiece of us. Such sarees are never made in block factories because they take lot of time. 4-5 colors the printers don't like to print, who take per saree price. This is a blouse piece. Our printers actually are salaried, so they are not in a hurry. And when you get the saree, you also appreciate it. They are printed in a very neat way. This is the palla, and the saree is rose with many colors. Very many colors. You like this saree a lot. I make it many times. I hope you will like this. I like our quality. Please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends and like it so that you get the next notifications in time. This is the sari. So I could now show 5 hand painted Katan silks. These are also very good quality silk. You will never complain, I know, and I have never received. That's God's grace on me. This is South Kolkata, 1.105 Nilachal complex. The address of the store. If you come here, see how our artist does his work. This is the palla. Just have a look at the wash work he has made on black, how bright the firoza and red, orange, blue. Half of the sari is dyed. Your plate portion would be Rama green and blue. So when you drape the sari would look like this. This goes your palla. This goes your palla. And this is the plate portion. Very thick Katan silk. They are all home washable with care. If you take little care, you can wash them at home. This is a small border. So this is the sari. Very nicely done. Our artists are never in a hurry, so they love their work. Those of you who have been receiving our sari always have appreciated their work. This is the blouse piece of my next sari. This is also hand painted wash work. This is the palla of the sari. Navy blue is the base color of the sari, but the palla is floral. Like this it goes. The palla. Now you see the body. Both side borders hand painted and the body is navy blue. And in the same way the sari is going, so the plate portion would be like this. This is how you would look when you drape it. This is number 2 Katan silk. 4850 is the price. See the quality of Katans. See, one of our favorite theme is sunset theme. So first, therefore, I would like to show you our palla of the sari, which is on sunset theme. The elephants, mother elephants, going back to their home during the sunset with their little cubs. This is the palla. An elephant block, that is hand painted. The palla is hand painted, but this is block printed, the body with elephant blocks and small border. This is how the sari is going. And the blouse piece is again interesting. Blouse piece has also hand painting. So you get plants over there. Now I go to 4th Katan silk. See the quality when you get, you just notice. This is again greyish firoza in color. This is a new color we make here in our workshop. All these panels that you see, multicolor panels, they are also done with brush. So no machine is there, only handmade things. This is the palla of the sari, and the body goes like this. Both side these borders and floral. This design is going in wax. The same way the sari goes. This is the sari. Very beautiful, and the blouse piece is also having this design in their hands. Go to my last sari of today's episode. This is navy blue in color, again Katan silk, hand painted in our own workshop. So usually they are all single pieces in India. Sometimes on request we make for people, otherwise we don't know what others are doing, but we keep on doing our own work, concentrating on ourselves. This is the palla, and the body goes like this. Take a screenshot, please send to us if you like the saris, and thank you for watching us for so long, having patience. This is the sari, the last sari of today's episode. So thank you very much for now, and you will be getting phone numbers. You will be getting, we have Phone Pay, Google Pay at 9830856724, and even if you call, I'll be instructing you everything. My whole team is there to help you out. Thank you for today.